Hi traders, come closer. I'm here to share with you 7 bad trading habits. And number 1 on my list is ignoring one's trading rule. As a forex trader, you should have a rule, not getting into the market anytime because the market is always open. No, have a rule as a forex trader. Number 2 on my list, trading without a plan. As a forex trader, you should have a plan. I'm going to be trading in the morning, or I'm going to be trading at night. This is the pairs I'm going to trade, and this is how I'm going to go about my forex trading today. Have a plan. Number 3 on my list, overtrading. This is the part that messes up with a lot of forex traders. They feel because the market is open from Monday to Friday, day and night, you get into the market anytime, you incur losses too. There are times you stay off the market, and there are times you analyze, there are times you observe, there are times you journal. So you don't always trade every day. That's the reason why ProbabaFx Academy, we don't trade every day. We trade 3 times in a week, depends on the market condition. So overtrading is something that can make you lose your money as a forex trader. Note that. Number 4 on my list, overconfidence. You don't own the market, you don't control the market. Sometimes the market is indecisive. So why would you think that you are overconfident to trade the forex market? Sometimes you observe, sometimes you make your analysis. So you don't trade with overconfidence. If not, you lose your funds. Number 5 on my list, revenge trading. This is another one that messes up with a lot of forex traders. You're trading and you lost some money. Get off the market, take a little time, think and analyze the market. Why did I lose? Oh, I got in wrongly. I wasn't supposed to go here because of the news. The market moved this way. There are certain factors you put into place when you lose, not just moving into the market again immediately. No, you're going to be hurting yourself. And number 6 on my list, letting emotion impair your decision making. You're sad, you're angry, because of that you rush into to take a trade, or you get in, someone annoys you, you use that aggression because of the way you're feeling emotional, you get into the market. No, you have to be sound when trading. Don't use emotions to trade. No, don't allow your emotions make you pick wrong trades. Some people might just be sad. When you're sad, you stay off the market. You have to be sane first before you trade. As a forex trader, it's very important. And number 7 on my list, failing to manage your trading risk. You have a little account. Why not risk 2%, 3%? Why risking 50, 60, 70%? Risk management is key if you want to be a profitable forex trader. So you put into consideration how much you're going to risk from your capital. That matters a lot if you want to be profitable. Do you want to be a profitable forex trader? Head straight to the website probabafx.net, or better still, you purchase the book Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.